In ancient India, it was very common to use clay pots for cooking, keeping foods, eating and drinking purposes. Even today, in many parts of our country, people use clay pot to keep water, drinking tea, etc. In Kolkata and in the northern part of India, every tea stall almost offers tea in bhar, which is a small clay cup. So today, let's see a few benefits of using clay pots in our day-to-day life. So first of all, clay contain various elements like iron, aluminium, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, manganese, etc., which our body really needs. So when we cook in these clay pots or keep food in these clay pots, these elements are likely to dissolve in the food or water, and it goes into our body, fulfill the deficiency of such elements. Another thing is our intestine produce acids, and clay is alkaline. Since it is already acid in our stomach, this alkalinity aids our digestion. Tea, coffee, cola, etc. We do not keep these things for a long time in clay pot. So the benefits are not very similar as compared to those food which we cook in the clay pot or keep in the clay pot for a long time. But still there are some benefits like tea, coffee, cola, etc. are acidic. So when you drink these things in the cup made of clay, it balances the pH. So the tea, coffee or the cola are not harsh to our digestive system and our throat. Aroma. When we cook in the clay pots or keep food in the clay pot, the aroma of the earthen pot mixes with the food and makes it really tasty. So guys, these are some benefits of using clay in our day-to-day life. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So like, share and subscribe to my channel.